my dearest husband and most beloved, I want to start off by saying thank you. Thank you for a wonderful 4 months and 11 days of marriage in the midst of a pandemic. Thank you for choosing to love me even though I can be very difficult a lot of the time. Thank you for waking up last night and holding my hand when I couldn't sleep. Thank you for loving God the way that you do. Thank you for making me laugh most of my days about the silliest things. Thank you for always allowing me to be the passenger when we have to drive. Thank you for giving another beautiful family to celebrate with and cherish, and for another grandpa I was able to know, learn from, and now remember. For also believing in me and encouraging me, for being compassionate and confident and being kind-hearted and caring, the traits that reassure me that you'll be a great father someday.
Diana, not very many people get a chance to write their vows 4 months into their marriage, but I believe this has been a blessing to me. I've gotten a chance to live with you and to refine my vows and to learn more about you and our relationship. I know that I love you. You are someone who makes me better. You motivate me to be better, and you challenge me in my thoughts and my faith and make me really think about what I say and think, and I am so thankful for that. I'm thankful for a wife like you. I'm blessed beyond belief. I promise to love you as long as we live. I promise to challenge myself to be more romantic than I have been. I promise to listen to you, to care about what you say to me, about how you feel. You're my delicate flower. I promise to strive to be a biblical husband and to lead you spiritually as my responsibility. I promise to treat you well, to listen to your advice, to check with you before making any decisions, and always taking into account what you say. You are my wise helper, and I'm blessed beyond measure with you.
For all the days ahead of me, I will continue to wonder how you are mine. A man of valor, my best friend, everything I ever wanted and needed. You choose to love me and serve me in spite of my many, many flaws. Apostle Paul writes that love is patient and kind. You've proved that over and over. You've defied the laws of modern love, and you love like Christ loved us. Undoubtedly and undeniably, you've taught me how to wholeheartedly and honestly love. So I vow that even when there are days where laughter and joy are less, I will fight every part of my flesh to love you through everything and in everything. I love you, Domchick. You're worth it all.
I promise to care for you in sickness and in health, to provide for our family as long as I am able, to support you in your career choices, in your ministries, in church, and in your life as a wife. I promise to sing with you, to sing to you, to pray with you, to read with you, and to love you. You've been so much more to me than I could have ever asked for, and I am thankful to God for my Dusia. Your parents made a wonderful daughter, and God made me a perfect partner, so perfectly crafted for me. I promise to love our children, whether born or adopted, to raise them to love the Lord, to be respectful. I thank God for the broken road that led me straight to you. But I'm grateful for somebody who can live with me, who can deal with me, who can love me despite my many flaws. You keep saying you have a lot, but I really don't see that. Everything about you has been so spectacular. And I've loved every single moment of marriage with you, and every moment before that. And I hope to God that we have many long years ahead of us so that I can enjoy the rest of our lives together. I love you.